Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, student, today date is 24/9/2020 and I am teaching you chapter number 17. Okay, and the name of your chapter is British Rule and the First War of Independence. So, the name of the chapter is British Rule and the First War of Independence. So, student, open page number 103 and let's start from. So, open page number 104. Keywords we have already completed. Keywords we have already completed. Okay, now see open page number 104. Let's discuss things to remember, and after that we will start book exercises of the chapter. See, the British initially came to India for trade. They trade with India through the British East India Company, but soon they established their rule over the whole of India. So, in the starting, what is the purpose of the British people? They came to India for trade, and trade means already I cleared you, buying and selling of goods, buying and selling of goods. But when they see that India is such a big country, but it is divided into many small territories, so they decided that they will build ports in the coastline of India. Okay, because India is a big country, but before at that time it is divided into many parts, and many small parts it is divided. So they thought that it is easier for them to make a easy it is easier for them to control or to establish their rule over the country, that is India. ठीक है, बहुत छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड थी, यूनिटी नहीं थी लोगों में आपस में, तो उन्हें लगा कि वहां ये अपना रूल इस्टेब्लिश कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, सो इन द स्टार्टिंग दे ओनली कम फॉर द पर्पस ऑफ ए ट्रेड, बट after that they decided that they will establish their rule over the whole of India. Second, British rule caused widespread discontent among Indians. There were many small revolts against the British in different parts of India. See, already we have discussed, I have discussed with you when I explained you the chapter, that with the British rule the peoples are totally not satisfied, because the laws which is made by Lord Dalhousie, that rules which they make, that are also the causes of the revolt. Doctrine of a lapse, forcing the farmers to grow the indigo plants and cotton plants, and even not allow Indian traders to set up their own mills and factories. Okay, and they have to buy all the goods from the British peoples only. So these are the there are many reasons that the native of India, means the people who are living in country India, they are totally not satisfied with the rules and laws which are made by the British peoples. In 1857, a massive revolt broke out against the British and quickly spread all sections of the society. It came to be known as the First War of Independence. Okay, student. So yes, especially the revolt sparked from the Indian soldiers which are in British army. Okay, so the bullets casings that are covered with a animal fat, and that animal is cow and pig, so it totally hurt the Hindus also and Muslim also. So that is also the reason. This is also one of the main reason for the revolt. Next, after the revolt of 1857, the British government took over the administration of India from the East India Company. So now what's happened? After the revolt of 1857, the British, they control all the revolts, and now what's happened? Now they take up the administration of India. इंडिया का जो प्रशासन था सीधा किसके हाथों में आ गया बेटा? अब ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट के हाथ में आ गया. ओके, और ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी क्या एंड हो गई. अब वो लोग डायरेक्ट जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन होता है कि प्रशासन, एक रूल रेगुलेशन होता है जो हम all the peoples follows that. So that thing, all things come in the control of the British government. So now student, we will start the exercises. Question number A, tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. Now take out your book and you will complete book exercises in the book only, and question answers and diagrams that we will question answer we will write in classwork copy, and in diagrams also we draw diagrams in the classwork copy. So let's start with question number A. Question A, tick the correct answers. Question number 1, Vasco da Gama who discovered the direct sea route to India was a dash. Option number 1, British. Option number 2, French. Option number 3, Portuguese. Dutch. Okay, so he was the person that Vasco da Gama was the person who discovered the direct sea route to India, and after that many peoples come to India for the trade. Many peoples come to India for trade. So he is from British? No. He is from French? No. So from the Dutch? No. So Vasco da Gama, who discovered the direct sea route to India, was a Portuguese. Okay. So note down the right answer. Okay. Note down in your book. Now see question number 2. Question number 2. The British first established their control over, first one is question number A, Uttar Pradesh. Option B, Bengal. Option number C, Bihar. Option number D, Awadh. So student, the British first established their control over dash. So which of the state? It is Uttar Pradesh, it is Bengal, Bihar, Awadh. So in the beginning I told you that when Vasco da Gama discovered a direct route, so direct route to come to India, then many peoples from different countries are coming to India for the trade. So and this route is a sea route. So there is no sea in Uttar Pradesh. उत्तर प्रदेश में कोई सी नहीं ना बेटा. Bihar, is any sea in Bihar? No. Awadh? No. And Bengal? Yes. क्योंकि वो सी रूट से आए थे. किस रूट से आए थे? सी रूट से आए थे. So the British first established their control over Bengal. Is it clear? Because Vasco da Gama discovered a new sea route, and in these states Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Awadh, there is no sea. Is it clear? बंगाल आप लोग को मैंने चैप्टर में बताया भी है ना. वेस्ट में क्या है? अरेबियन सी है. ईस्ट में क्या है? बे ऑफ बंगाल है. इज इट क्लियर? एंड आपके इधर क्या आ रहा है? साउथ में इंडियन ओशन आ रहा है. ओके. सो द ब्रिटिश फर्स्ट established their control over बंगाल. Note down the answer. See, next question. After the revolt of 1857, the rule of dash came to an end. Third, after the revolt of 1857, the rule of dash came to an end. Option number A, Bahadur Shah Jafar. British government. East India Company. And D, Kings. So student, after the revolt, okay, after the revolt of 1857, the rule of dash came to an end. Bahadur Shah Jafar, he is the leader of 1857 revolt, and after he is surrendered, and then it is sent to Rangoon, and it is in Burma. Okay. British government to 1857, after the revolt of 1857, the whole control comes in the hand of the British government. Okay, so the एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ जो इंडिया का प्रशासन था वो डायरेक्टली किसके हैंड में आ गया? ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट के हैंड में. किंग्स एंड नवाब्स, इनकी तो पावर ऑलरेडी ले ली थी इन्होंने, ब्रिटिश पीपल्स ने. सो दे आर टोटली अनसेटिस्फाइड विद देम. सो ऑप्शन नंबर सी, ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी. ओके, नाउ ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी, that is and directly the administration of India is a takeover by the British government. Is it clear? So after the revolt of 1857, the rule of East India Company end. So this is the right answer. Note down. Or you can take a screenshot also. Question number 4. The British forced Indian farmers to grow. The British forced Indian farmers to grow dash. First is wheat. Second, indigo. Third is bajra. Fourth is opium. So student, the British forced Indian farmers to grow wheat. So when I explained you the chapter, I already said you that at that time there is a extreme poverty. बहुत गरीबी आ गई थी. क्यों? Population is so high and even the demand of the food is unable to they are unable to get the food to eat also. ठीक है, क्योंकि मैक्सिमम वीट है, इंडिगो, बाजरा है, ओपियम है ये. ठीक है. सो व्हाट इज ओपियम? ये क्या बेटा आप इतना जान लो, ये भी प्लांट्स होते हैं. ठीक है, जो लगाए जाते हैं और इससे नशीली चीज़ें बनाई जाती हैं. ठीक है, अफीम की खेती जिसे हिंदी में बोलते हैं, ओपियम, अफीम की खेती. ओके. सो द ब्रिटिश फोर्स इंडियन फार्मर्स टू ग्रो, दे फोर्स टू ग्रो इंडिगो. ठीक है, because they are getting the blue color from this and this is used for to dye में इसको यूज करते थे. और even they are buying this from the Indian farmers with very low price. Okay, so the British force Indian farmer to grow indigo, wheat and bajra. These all are eating edible seeds. ठीक है, इसे तो हम लोग खाते हैं. ठीक है, और ये डिस्कस कर ही दिया आप लोग के संग. नेक्स्ट, fifth question. A famous leader of the revolt of 1857 was option A. The famous leader of revolt of 1857 was, first one is Tatya Tope. Second one is Jahangir. जहांगीर लिखा है इसमें. थर्ड इज शाहजहां. एंड फोर्थ इज all of these. Okay, so these are some of the famous leader. Which is the famous leader of revolt 1857? See student, there are many famous leaders of revolt of 1857 and Who was the leader from Delhi? Bahadur Shah Jafar was the leader of this revolt. So and many others leader also uh, take part in this revolt, but out of this there is only one name. One name is given of the leader who take part in the revolt of 1857, that is Tantia Tope. Is it clear? और वैसे भी मुगल्स एम्पायर जो थे, मुगल्स के लास्ट में सबसे लास्ट यही था, बहादुर शाह जफर। ओके, और जो बाकी नेम थे वो उससे पहले के थे। तो मुगल्स एम्पायर में बहादुर शाह जफर इज द लास्ट। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर बी, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। The dash was the first European to arrive in India. The dash were the first Europeans to arrive in इंडिया। तो सबसे पहले कौन आए थे इंडिया में? आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन यू, वास्को डी गामा, ही इज अ पोर्टुगीज एक्सप्लोरर एंड ही डिस्कवर ए शॉर्टेस्ट सी रूट टू इंडिया। So now the question is, the dash were the first European to arrive in India. So what is the answer? Portuguese are the first European to arrive in India. Note down the answer. Question number second. The British rule caused widespread dash among Indians. Okay. So now when these the rules and regulation, rules and laws which are made by the British people, so the natives of India, they are not totally satisfied with that, because in all जितने भी चीजें थी सब में वो लोग क्या कर रहे थे? इंटरफियर कर रहे थे, एंड दे आर फोर्सिंग द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया टू फॉलो दैट रूल्स एंड लॉ। ओके, जैसे इंडिया के पॉलिटिकल में भी उन्होंने इंटरफेयर किया, फिर आफ्टर ऑल इकोनॉमिक, दैट आई अर्लियर टोल्ड यू इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो। सो इन एवरी पार्ट they are interfering and they are forcing the Indians to follow that rules and laws which is made by them. So at that time, student, British ruled widespread this continent among Indians. Discontent. क्योंकि जो उनका रूल था उससे इंडियन बिल्कुल भी संतुष्ट नहीं थे. ओके, बिकॉज द रूल्स which they have made for their own profit and benefit. They are not in favor of Indian peoples. Okay, thank you student.